Hi guys, this is Ecorner Outdoor. I'm introducing a brand new technologies on our diesel heater. So it's called self-generating diesel heater, which means you do not need the extra battery or extra power to power this machine up. Here have a built-in thermal generator inside this machine. Use the temperature difference to generate the electricity to power the whole thing up. The fans, the oil pump, and recharge the battery here. The battery is only for the jump starts, like your vehicles. And as you can see, here's two holes right here. Here's the intake, and here's a hot air outlet. And you can do like this. We do offer a window cover, and you can put two pipes inside the car, which means you can make air circulate into the vehicle, can have high efficiency of the best performance and the best efficiency. And as you can see right here, here's our exhausted pipe, and you can't see any smoke or feel or smell any odor. So that's why we have the very high fuel efficiency, which means you do not need to taking care about maintenance, and you do not need to like clean the burning chamber. Just keep running it. We have up to 9 levels right here. Here's a little bit controller right here, and we up to the level 9 up to the 20,000 BTU. And on our level 1, 8,000 BTU, the built-in 1.2 gallon tank can run up to 30 to 35 hours, depends on the temperature outside. Here's our website. It's called ecorneroutdoor.com. And you guys can scan the QR code for our information, email address, phone number, and social media. Thank you.